Alright, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten these sandals before I go into the raging rivers of Harding Way. Here we go, nice and tightened. Is my harness good? Okay.
Mario, you getting this?
Psych, I'm going to go down this side. Here we go. You always got to have the proper gear. Nice Adidas sandals, shorts with a nice hole just in case you need a grappling hook, and the rock tank top. Here we go. Shit, that was close. I'm gonna go farther onto this platform right here. I've made it down into the river. It's a little wet, but now time to go explore a little bit. You don't want to touch these walls without gloves. They might have herpes. So let's get it. Yo, it's biting back.
Coyote, are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you. Goal is to get over there and go catch some fish. So
Daniel, you need to like talk like. So here's what's going on. You need to like give him like background. You be like, all right. So I just finished off the rock.
So here's what's going on. I just came down into these raging rivers over here, and this rock over here tried to attack me. But of course, with my severe military skills, I was in SEAL Team 6 for about 2 years now, so I know what I'm doing, trust me. And so that rock ceased to destroy me, and now I'm going to follow this path over here to get to the fish, and I'll spear some of them first and eats. Alright, so here we go. Gonna grab this vine. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice lasso there. So we're gonna use this to get to the other side, alright? That was a success. Oh, I'm quite of a pickle.
Coyote, are you okay?
That might be fun.
You good, Mario?
Hey, gonna have to do the impossible.
Do you need the special crew down there?
Do you need Mark down there? Do you want Mark to go down there?
Die down here. All right, here we go. Calm and collected.
It didn't work in ping pong, did it?
That's how it's done here. So I think this is the farthest point we will be going tonight. Actually, I think there might be a better view from under the actual bridge.
That's a bullet ant right there. You do not want to get stung by that.
Bullet ant up there?
Yeah, you want to get stung by it?
Stay away. Stay away. That is for me to get stung by and me only.
Don't want to get stung by that.
All right, my crew. Could you please hand me a spear? So as you can see, I'm gonna have the bait, which will be nope. Okay. I'm just gonna switch this around, and the fish are going to think that it is food. Once it gets sort of close, I'm going to stab it right in its head. All right? So
You're gonna have to get dirty. I dare you to
I have an idea.
I dare you to take off your slides and go in there.
No. You kidding me?
Could have her.
I think I see you.
Did you get him?
I missed. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take one of these boulders over here and create another path. So, this rock is quite unstable. Do not try this at home once again. Here we go. Other than it being extremely deadly down here, it is quite beautiful. Beauty comes with a price. Fuck. Grab that rock. See this guy right here. Little sticker. We're good. Alright. Most of these rocks are unstable, so you gotta be really careful of the sun is leaving us. It's quite good in a situation. I was born in the darkness, raised by it, molded by it. So sometimes the dark can be an ally to me.
Stable enough to climb.
Ah, something fell. Something from the tree and hit my head.
Was it a bullet ant? Was it a bullet ant?
I think it was.
Get out of there. Run! Get on your bike and leave. You're not safe here. You're obviously more tasty.
I was decontaminated by the bullet ant.
If you can see closely, this is riddled with bird-eating tarantulas. You gotta be very careful. If you touch one, you will insta-kill die. We don't got no revives yet, all right?
I like it.
We don't got no quick revive yet. God, it's fucking nasty. We gotta figure out another angle for this. So, this seems decently stable. We're gonna grab it from the ass and then flip it over, all right? We did it. So now we're gonna use this vine. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. We're gonna use this.
Try to get to the other side.
Yo, if this is stable enough, I can go on that rock.
Can you actually swing?
I think it's like stuck in the ground.
Hey, look at that root.
Here we go. You need to be at least able to curl 45s for 40 reps to pull this vine. If you are not able to do that, you will not be able to pull this root. And that is just a fact. Don't even try, you will die.
Mario, you getting this?
Lucky for you, it's fighting back.
Ah, something's hitting me.
It's a bullet ant.
Ah, it's a
Get out of here. Give me the camera. Ah.
There's tarantulas. They are they're party
It's
tarantulas.
upside down.
Get out of here!
Go, go, go. They're burning tarantulas.
I'm decontaminated. So, what did we learn from this experience, Coyote?
Honestly, I did whatever I could. Next time I could use a little more equipment, such as pants or scuba gear. But I mean, you can't always get what you want. Every trip is an adventure.
Just got our scuba.
Trust me, we will be back. We're going to be going on an adventure on the other side of the forest. So we will be back soon. Stay tuned.